If you're wondering how to change the order of clips in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to rearrange your clips in the timeline so you can organize your edit exactly how you want it. This is super useful if you've placed a clip in the wrong spot, want to try a different sequence, or just need to clean up your project and make it flow better. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look down at the timeline area, because that's where all of your clips are arranged. You should be able to see the video clips lined up in order, and this is where you'll make your changes. Before moving anything, take a second to identify the clip you want to reposition, so you know exactly where it needs to go. Now click and hold the clip you want to move. As soon as you click it, keep holding the mouse button down so you can drag it smoothly across the timeline. This is the key step, because CapCut lets you reorder clips simply by moving them left or right. If you want the clip to appear earlier in your video, drag it to the left. If you want it to appear later, drag it to the right. As you move it, watch for the placement indicators so you can see where the clip will land. Once the clip is in the new position you want, release the mouse. CapCut will drop the clip right into place, and your timeline will update immediately. If the clip is not exactly where you want it, don't worry, you can just click and drag again until everything feels right. This makes it very easy to experiment with different arrangements without having to start over. If you have more clips to reorder, simply repeat the same process. Click and hold the next clip, drag it to the correct position, and release it when you're happy with the placement. You can keep doing this until your entire sequence is organized the way you want. This is especially helpful when you're cutting together tutorials, vlog segments, or short-form content where timing really matters. One thing to pay close attention to is spacing. After moving your clips, make sure there are no unwanted gaps between them. Empty spaces in the timeline can create awkward pauses or black frames in your final video. So always double-check that each clip is connected properly. If you see a gap, just drag the clip slightly until it closes, or move surrounding clips into place so your edit stays clean and continuous. And that's really all there is to it. Changing the order of clips in CapCut is as simple as click, drag, and release. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to reorganize your timeline much faster and make your edits look more polished. If this video helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, beginner editing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.